Hi everyone, I'm going to Charlotte Motor Speedway in Charlotte, North Carolina to NASCAR. Now I've never been before and I went with Focus on the Family and we got to do some amazing things like go to the driver's meeting, go down to pit row, see all the cars, cheer on with all the NASCAR fans. It was absolutely crazy, but then we got to take a hot lap in one of the pace cars before the race, and we were one of very few people that ever get to do this, and I did it with Jim Daly in the back and my wife. We had such a great time.
This is new Roval, right?
Yes, sir. 2.28 miles. So, a lot of track activity going on this morning. You guys are some of the very first fans to actually take the course.
Yeah, wow, isn't that cool?
Yeah. So there's only been 6 other fans that have taken, actual fans other than drivers, and that was yesterday's Grand Marshals.
No way.
Yeah.
Well,
I like it.
Jim, you're amazing.
Yeah,
you got us into everything.
Marcus is the king of this one.
Oh, this is awesome. You're really driving. You're not messing around here.
Oh, no, we don't mess around at all. Of course not. This is a good way to get the morning started.
Well, the up and down, the elevations.
Yeah, this is an awesome track.
Who needs coffee
That's
when
right.
you've got this kind of adrenaline?
You got a dead body in the trunk?
Yeah.
No, it's actually the light bar from the top of the...
This.
Well, this is cool.
This is
so you've
go high, go high.
So you've got to go from flat road course racing to 24-degree banking.
Yeah.
So the cars are just crazy setup. So to be honest, I don't know the answer to that question.
But what I do know the answer to is NASCAR is so exciting and such a huge adrenaline rush. What a great sport. And I understand that more people watch NASCAR and motor racing than any other sport in the world. I had no idea, but it's very popular and very fun.
Got to dip in here now.
Yeah, is there a penalty if they go straight? Is there a penalty?
There is, yes. They actually get a time penalty.
Okay.
It's a good way to start the day.
You did a great job too.
Hopefully
so
everybody
this
else
is
It's my first day.
And this is pit row, right?
This is, yep. And normally...
You mean driving?
He's got a learner's
You just got your license?
Well, thank
Hey,
you
you're
very
most
much.
welcome.
You are
Absolutely.
awesome, man.
So at the end of the day, a special thanks to Focus on the Family for putting this event on. It was over the top cool. And Motor Racing Outreach, who also did a spectacular job of getting us access to things we would have never dreamed of.